Hello guys, I'm Kanak and you're watching Ready Steady Eat. Today I'm going to show you how to make Boondi Laddus. It is very popular in India for any kind of occasion. And as you all know, Diwali is just round the corner, so this one is a must-try recipe for this special occasion. This recipe is a definite bookmark for all the dessert lovers. The first step is to strain the gram flour or besan to make a smooth flour so that no lumps are formed later. Now add just enough water to make a thick batter consistency just like you make for dosa. Now add a pinch of saffron color and a teaspoon of ghee and mix well. Once the batter is ready, heat oil in a wok. Now take a sieve and gently place the batter on it and slowly drop the droplets of batter into the hot oil this way, or if you want you can also press with the help of spoon for making bundis. Fry them till they become golden yellow. Don't let them become very crispy. Remove them when they are 3/4 done and place them on a kitchen towel. Repeat the process for the rest of the batter. For syrup, add 1 cup of sugar to 3/4 cup of water and bring it to boil till it becomes one string consistency. I have also added few strands of saffron and a teaspoon of lime juice so that the sugar doesn't crystallize. Now once all the bundis are done, put all the bundis into the hot syrup, add a pinch of cardamom powder, rosewater and add chopped pistachio and almonds and mix well and let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes. Because right now the mixer is too hot to handle, once it comes down to warm temperature, you can take small portions and roll them with the help of your hand and squeeze the excess syrup to make round laddus. Repeat the process for the rest of the mixture. You cannot make laddus when the mixer is very hot or at room temperature. You can roll them only when they are warm enough. Repeat the process for the rest of the mixture. Now a lovely mouth-watering orange Boondi Laddus are ready to serve. Do subscribe to Ready Steady Eat for more such festive recipes. It's me Kanak signing off. Bye bye.